out of in that electromagnetic waves released by the sun, 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer is called as visible spectrum, which you can see. Now, generally, photosynthesis is done with the visible light only, not with the X-rays and gamma rays. They cannot do photosynthesis. Okay. Now, within the visible rays also, visible rays is what? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, everything there. No, everything is not photosynthetically active. Actually, photosynthesis means that sun ray should fall on the plant and chloroplast. Chloroplast should be able to make use of it. Understand? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means it is a plant, it takes sunlight, it takes water, it takes carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Water means there will be nutrients also. It will not take fresh, pure water. Water has many phosphate, sulfur, nutrients, okay? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means a plant taking the water with nutrients, taking the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, taking the sunlight. Actually, so water, carbon dioxide with nutrients. In presence of sunlight, they produce glucose. Different compound, not just one glucose, okay? And they produce oxygen. That's why because of photosynthesis, oxygen comes out, carbon dioxide goes in. Okay, now, please don't think that every sun ray is photosynthetically active. No. Among all these Vibgyor, mostly blue and red, that zone, very few. For example, if there are 100 rays coming from sun, only 50 rays, 50 and less than 50, slightly, around 50. 50 rays are only eligible for photosynthesis. We call them as photosynthetically active radiation. Also, friends, if this is Earth, sun rays fall everywhere on the Earth. However, most of the sun rays do not even reach the Earth. You know why? Because of clouds, they get reflected. Because of dust particles, they get reflected. In the polar area, ice is there, no. They get reflected. And in many places, there are no plants also. Deserts, no plants. Many parts of ocean, no plants. So, of all the sun rays falling on the Earth, only some 2 to 10%. Only some 2 to 10% will be taken by the plants. In those 2 to 10% also, only 1% can be used efficiently. Remaining is wasted. That's why you can say out of all the sun rays falling on the Earth, only 1% of sun rays are